Good afternoon, my name is Dave Chamberlain here with Chris Fry, showing you a 2006 Bonanza G36. This is the plane you want. This has a Super Scimitar propeller, brand new, zero time on the propeller, zero time on the new Gami Spec motor, zero time on a full Whirlwind III Tornado Alley turbo normalizing conversion. We went ahead and added oxygen to it and 20 gallon aside tip tanks to get that extra flight time that we needed. And we're gonna just show you around the plane, so come on over here and we'll show you this motor. This is an IO 550 Gami Spec. This is a custom designed motor for Gami injectors. It has specially designed cylinder heads. It has a custom ground crane cam, and it has needle bearing rocker arms instead of the old, you know, that, I forgot what you, fulcrum rocker arms. This is an air conditioned Bonanza. We also opted in for the paint. So we had the complete inside when the engine was out. Everything's been repainted. And Chris, if you want to kind of get down here and show the battery box and stuff, everything's in just new condition. So this is a zero time. And when I say zero time, yeah, there's 2 or 3 hours on it from the factory. But it's got all new baffles and gaskets and hoses and wires and ignition and magnetos and you name it. Everything's new on this plane. So absolutely beautiful. This is this conversion here is good for the way we spec this out. We did this. The pilot on the way over here was getting 190 plus knots true. On FlightRules it was 205. He got here in a hurry. It definitely made a difference because originally before the conversion, we could only get 160 to 163 knots out of it. I know the book says 165, but let me know if you can actually get that. And even if you can, it's still just too slow. It takes too long. And I also noticed that my mission is to Florida. Flying to Florida, we just ended up on reserves all the time on fuel. We're not getting 5 hours. We're getting just over 4 hours with reserves. So we added the tip tanks over here. These are Osborne tip tanks, all fiberglass. This plane has the full LED lighting package. You notice up top there, the tail strobe, the tip tank strobes, the landing light, taxi light, all LED. Paint is very good. It's an original paint job. It is ceramic coated. But if you notice, it's shiny. It's got a good, nice shine to it. There might be a couple little nicks here and there, which are gonna happen with age, but overall, it's a gorgeous looking airplane. And obviously with the improvements that we put in here, this is the most spec'd out Bonanza basically you can buy. I guess we could add TKS to it, but I don't fly on the ice. It's not worth the risk. So inside here, it's a 6-passenger. We'll have the actual useful load in the specs. I'm waiting for the logs back, but it's supposed to be around 1260 pounds useful load. And you see the interior is very nice, just original interior, very clean. Now this is a G1000 airplane. And Chris, I'm gonna let you get up front to the gauges up there. It's a G1000 airplane, and it has the NXI upgrade. So this is the new NXI system. A lot of functional updates as well as software updating, and of course the screens are newer, higher processing speeds. I can definitely see the difference. It comes on a whole lot faster. We also added oxygen because you're going to want to fly high when you have a turbo. You want to clear the weather, you want to get over to some better winds. This now gives you the options. Before, I couldn't even get this plane to like 10,000. I mean, 9,000 was pretty much the good ceiling for the plane. Now, test pilot that brought it back to us flew at 13,500, no problem. Like I said, it was getting 205 knots, indicated airspeed, 192 or so true airspeed. Up on the dash here, you'll see the new Tornado Alley. It's got cowl flaps, and you see the new fuel flow gauges and all that. I did do some videos for you, so I'll be able to send you some videos on how to operate the new turbo normalizing system. Pretty straightforward, but this plane does go Lena peak. So you're used to richer peak on a Bonanza. You're now gonna run at Lena peak at about 17.6 gallons per hour, which is a great fuel burn at 192 knots or so. We also added flap and gap seals. Everything on this plane has been made as many speed mods as we could to make this the fastest Bonanza you can get with the newest technology. This has the Garmin digital autopilot. I mean, it's the G1000 system's next to none in its usefulness and its features. And of course, it'll also have the wireless Wi-Fi connectivity to your iPad. So you can push your flight plan right down to the NXI from your iPad. So that's pretty nice. You don't have to double input it in. Overall, like I said, excellent condition. 2006 Bonanza G36, now turbo normalized. And this is probably gonna be one of the nicest Bonanzas you'll find. The annual was done 12 of 22. So fresh annual, and maybe the books show 1 of 22. It was right at the end of the year. But we'll get the logs. We'll be able to scan the logs in for you, so you'll be able to see that on the ad. And we'll also have all the air times and everything. But Zero-time motor, the Gami Spec motor has a 3-year warranty. So that's unlimited hours. So if you just commute with this plane 1,000 hours a year, well, you run into TBO before you before you use up all the warranty. But anyway, 3 years unlimited. So everything's covered on the firewall forward. I believe Tornado Alley has a 3-year warranty on their turbo system as well. And we'll have that information in the ad. But just wanted to introduce you to one of the nicest Bonanzas on the market with everything that you want. And it's done with a Zero-time. You get to start brand new. You get to start fresh with a Zero-time RAM Gami Spec motor conversion with turbo normalizing system. My name is Dave Chamberlain, again with Chris Fry. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, arcadiaeverything.com, to see more information about this airplane.